Ego ndababona.
nishimiye kubona mu kwigaragambya byose
kwifatanya n'abanyarwanda bose barimo bari mu Bubiligi, hari abavuye mu Bufaransa,
bitewe n'aho hari rero ariko umwe mu bakunzi be inshuti ziwe wababwiye mesaje batanga bakunda bakunde
Mama Ngabire, this is a special dedication to you. We just want to let you know that we love you. You're the only woman that deserves to be called the mother of Rwanda. And in this song, we just want to let you know that all the beats shall never be forgotten. I don't fall as a good next of the hero in Rwanda. As a freedom fighter, as a changing factor. Mama Ngabire, we love you. Indeed, we love you.
urakoze cyane
abanyarwanda bose rero bashobora kuzamura uko bazifata mu
Kagame assassin. Il a tué les Congolais. Il a tué les Rwandais. Kagame assassin. Il a tué les Rwandais.